What's up, guys? Today we'll be working on the C43 AMG. This is going to be our project. We got the lights right here from IceDriver. Thank you so much. And there's the Mini Cooper, pretty dope. Took the engine out, you know. So first things first, you need to move your wheels all the way to the right. Remove this clip right here. Not really remove it, but twist it to the left, all the way to the left. It will pop out. Then you pull this up. This right here comes out, obviously. And then right here, you'll have one screw right here that you need to take out with the torque ski set. There's one in the middle right here. And then you have to open up the hood and take this screw out right here. But here's a secret. You guys can open up the hood all the way up. So as you can see, there's a button right here. You push that down. The hood goes all the way up now by pushing that button right here. So this is a little secret. It's just easier to work. You don't hit your head on the hood. So now we'll start removing the top bolt, because that's the hardest to remove since you don't have a lot of space to play with. You stick that in there and you basically start unscrewing it. All right, so once the screw is almost out, you put your hand underneath the fender liner right here. And then you try to get it out so it doesn't fall anywhere. And you just unscrew it. Pull it out. Right here's the screw. And you do that to the middle part and then the bottom part. Under. Keep twisting that open. And it should come right out. The screws aren't very long, so it shouldn't be too hard, but just keep doing that. Almost dropped that. That would not have been good. But yeah, just keep opening the screw until it's loose. Once you feel it's loose, like right now, tighten it a bit, take the tool out, and then grab the screw. So I tightened it a bit. And then use your fingers and untighten it to not drop it anywhere. Just like that, it comes out. Then we have one more screw right here. Remove that and this whole thing just comes off, and then we're gonna change boards. So this is the main screw. Open that up. Once you feel it kind of loose, try to put your hand under. Put the tool away and then take the screw out. If not, try to pull the whole ballast off. And drop the screw in your hand. Okay, got a hold of it right here. So now what we do is keep pulling this out like that. So as you guys can see, there is your board we're going to be changing to the upgraded board, which is RGB. So with the right hand, you hold the ballast, and then with the left hand, you grab right here. And then you push on this little thing right here. You push on it. And you pull it out like that. And now I'll just take this out. And here it is. This board needs to be replaced. So now what you do, you remove these 4 screws right here. Pretty simple. Might be hard at first to open that, but then it starts glowing. So next thing, you take, once you have unscrewed all the 4 bolts, you take the board out. It might be attached very well, so you might have to pull it a bit hard. Just don't break it if you ever want to go back to stock. So you pull it out like that. Here's the board. And now you put this new upgraded board inside. Just like that. It should align perfectly. So make sure you align this. Then you take the bolts, put them all in. One. Alright guys, so the way this works, you basically put the board in here, tighten the 4 screws. Make sure the wires are facing this way, because if it faces this way, you'll be covering the projectors right here. And basically, you connect this light right here to directly to the Bluetooth controller. Right here, we have a Bluetooth controller. So we will be connecting the light right here. It just plugs in, simple as that. Now for the other side, we're going to use an extension cord. It looks like this. So plug this in here, like that. And then these 2 wires are going to go straight into the fuse box. So there's the black one is the ground and the red one is the power. And that is it. So this wire, the tip of this wire, will go into the other light, tighten everything together, and done. All right. All right, guys, so let's take this wire, route it through the top right here. Pull it. You can always modify however you want it later. But the first thing will be to, again, use 2 hands on the bottom of the fender liner. And go from top. Plug this right here into the light. Might be hard at first. Make sure you don't bend any pins. It's plugged in. Now what you do is make sure these wires exit on the sides. And put the ballast in. So it should go in just like that. Perfect. And now all we do is tighten the screws. Alright guys, so as you can see, I put all the bolts in there. Now we have this hanging out. So what I'm going to do is first, take this big wire right here. So solder it out to the fuse box. Then we have this left. So now we open up the fuse box. Basically, guys, so this is our system. So the DRL board is connected to the RGBW controller right here, okay? The RGBW controller is connected to power and ground right here. The ground, I wired it right here with a screw. And now the power will go on pin 4. wire going through here, connecting to this headlight.
Okay, go start the car, see if they work.